1. Glazed donut. A classic donut covered with a thin layer of sweet sugar glaze that gives it a shiny and soft texture. 2. Chocolate frosted donut. A fluffy donut topped with rich chocolate frosting, often finished with colorful sprinkles. 3. Boston cream donut. A soft donut filled with creamy custard and topped with smooth chocolate icing. 4. Jelly donut. A sweet donut stuffed with fruit jelly such as strawberry, raspberry, or blueberry jam. 5. Powdered sugar donut. A light donut coated generously with powdered sugar for a soft and sweet taste. 6. Cinnamon sugar donut. A donut rolled in a delicious mixture of cinnamon and sugar, creating a warm flavor. 7. Old-fashioned donut. A traditional cake-style donut with a crispy outside and slightly cracked surface. 8. Maple donut. A donut topped with sweet maple-flavored icing that is especially popular in North America. 9. Sprinkle donut. A colorful donut decorated with tiny candy sprinkles over icing or glaze. 10. Cream-filled donut. A donut filled with vanilla, chocolate, or whipped cream for a rich dessert experience. 11. Apple fritter. A fried donut pastry mixed with apple pieces, cinnamon, and sweet glaze. 12. Long John donut. A long rectangular donut usually topped with chocolate or maple icing and sometimes filled with cream. 13. Cruller donut. A twisted donut with a light airy texture and a sweet glazed coating. 14. Blueberry cake donut. A cake donut flavored with blueberries, offering a fruity and slightly tangy taste. 15. Strawberry frosted donut. A donut topped with strawberry-flavored frosting that gives a bright pink appearance. 16. Caramel donut. A soft donut covered with rich caramel sauce or caramel-flavored icing. 17. Red velvet donut. A donut inspired by red velvet cake, featuring cocoa flavor and cream cheese frosting. 18. Pumpkin spice donut. A seasonal donut flavored with pumpkin and warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. 19. Coconut donut. A donut coated with shredded coconut for a tropical flavor and chewy texture. 20. Matcha donut. A modern donut flavored with Japanese green tea powder, giving a slightly bitter and unique taste. 21. Mini donut. A small bite-sized donut that is easy to snack on and often served in large portions. 22. Mocha donut. A coffee-flavored donut mixed with chocolate notes for a rich and energizing dessert. 23. Banana donut. A soft donut made with banana flavor, sometimes topped with chocolate or nuts. 24. Vanilla frosted donut. A fluffy donut covered with creamy vanilla icing and often decorated with sprinkles.